Hello, Ag students. This is Mr. Thomas. I'm just trying to give you a little homework help. I gave you guys a soil web quest to do this week. If you have any trouble with it, feel free to reach out to me, but it should look like this. What you're going to do is download a copy for yourself from Schoology. Then you can write your answers or type your answers in the document and then re-upload it into Schoology as your own document. Okay, so download a copy, then make it editable. Then you can modify it however you want to put your answers in here and then upload it into Schoology. All the answers are online. You just have to click on the links to access the answers. Okay, it's pretty easy. All these links give you the answers pretty quickly. We already did soil horizons in our notebook, so if you want to put information from your notebook in this section, that's fine. The soil triangle website gives you information here, and I found that when you go to the website, it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just going to click on the calculator. It's the soil texture calculator. We'll find out how to use a soil triangle without the calculator, but this makes it really easy. You just type in your % sand and your % clay, and whatever is the remainder is going to be silt. So it can, so if you want to put in, like, say 20 and you want to put in, say, 25 for clay, so that's a total of 45, and we're left with, I guess that would be 55 left. So that'd be the silt. And once we do that, 20 and 25 will get the type. So you click Get Type, and it's going to tell you silt loam. Okay. So, and it's even going to show you where it's at, silt loam. So, speaking of that, going back to our soil web quest, silty loam is one of the, you have to work, in number 10, you have to work backwards. So this calculator that I was just on doesn't really work backwards because you want to find the texture, okay? So it doesn't let you work backwards. So you kind of want to use your soil texture triangle. You can kind of guess by working backwards with these numbers, but also just look at the triangle itself. Okay, so your soil texture triangle, silty loam is the same as silt loam, but you want to use some numbers like 20. So we use the clay as 20. So we go over here, so it's in that zone. So it's got 20% clay, and then we want to use our other. We want to use our silt, and we want to use our sand. So, and we said 25. Okay, so I guess it would be this way: 25, halfway between 20 and 30, and it's going to go up to here. Okay, so 20 and 25 is 45, and then, as we said, the remainder would be 55. So right between the two would be 55. Okay, halfway between 50 and 60, and that's going to put us right there. Okay, so you have to kind of, this is the only part that, when I did the soil web quest, this is the only part that kind of stumped me. And it's just a matter of learning to use your soil triangle. The good news is I just gave you one of them, silty loam. See if you can't figure out clay loam. Okay, that's the only one that's not expressly laid out for you. So clay loam, which is right here in the center, see if you can't figure out percentages for that. Okay, using your soil texture triangle. There's one on the soil texture calculator, which is in the link that you have right here. And also there's a soil triangle in your Soils Webquest at the top in color, okay, that you can also use. In addition to that, there's one in your notebook that you made in a previous video I did, I believe last week. But go ahead and try your best with the Soil Webquest. It should be self-explanatory. Go to all the links, find the answers, and again, if you have questions or you can't find something, see me. State Soils, same way. When you click on the State Soils, it's going to pull up all the different types of soils that are found within. So Alaska has a soil, Nevada has a soil, and you're just going to click on the fact sheet to find information about each one of those states' soils, and then answer in that chart. Okay, so again, I just wanted to help you out with the Soils Webquest. You have 14 questions to answer, and then upload it to Schoology when you're done. Again, see me if you have any questions, or email me if you can't reach me in class. But again, this is Mr. Thomas signing off for now.